Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G06 Power, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down actually to find About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and we can find it actually in the device identifier. So let's tap on it, and as you can see the build number is here. So now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode, and if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. So now let's go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system, which is right above the About Phone. And here we've got developer options. Now here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can perform the background check, you can simulate the color space, you can manage the display cutout, so you can choose different styles, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected overall with the networking, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi here, etc. So basically, to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. So just tap on it, and most of the options will be right now inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, you can see that the developer options will simply disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.